Louder.
Good morning. So today we are gonna make a snowstorm in the dark, and this is for my science exhibition. And the things we need are water, paints. Just we need two paints, which is blue and white, and took some beads. You can choose whatever you want, and then we have this glitter, then we have this baby oil, then we have the glue. You can not you can take them separately, and you can, if you have it, so you can take glitter glue. And we need a jar, we need a small bowl, and we need a bowl. But I am mixing, that's why I need a bowl. If you are not mixing, so you don't need a bowl. So let's start. So we're gonna start it. First, we're gonna put baby oil, but wait a minute, I have to put it in. So first, we're gonna put baby oil in it. So, have you opened it? Open it. This is too tight.
Let me help you.
Mama will help you. Mama will help us. So now I'm gonna put
Please
it.
say it loud.
So now I'm gonna put it.
Let Taral put it.
Yeah, press it.
What is this? Tell.
Baby oil.
Yeah, just
Wow, it's. So now we're gonna put water in it. This one.
yeah, that's it. Chalo, you can put more.
So I am bringing some more. Now I'm gonna put.
That's it.
That's it, Alishma.
Okay. Now I have to put the glitter glue in it. Yes. Huh? So I'm gonna make it.
You have to.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put. Do not. Wait a minute. So I'm putting some glue.
It's done. The
Yeah,
glue's
I
fine.
think so. Yeah.
1 minute. 1 minute.
1 minute. 1 minute. Wait. No, not this one.
I think so. We need more glue.
You
Yeah.
can.
Now I will mix.
That's it.
So, mix it. This is fine.
You mix it properly. You can put it inside now.
So we can,
Pour it here on this directly.
and we are going to.
Oh, it's floating.
Yeah, so this is it. Now what happened? Now we're gonna put
Some
the beads.
Okay.
all the beads. I think so.
And then I'm gonna put one this. So
You can spray more.
this.
Little. Yeah.
Now we can mix.
Yeah.
Yeah, I put it all. Now we can just open this.
And then you'll close the jar now.
Yeah.
Then
What,
it
should we
will.
add some more glue in it?
Just one tablet is enough.
Oh, 1 minute. I'm gonna put half because it's at first dry. Wow, it's done. So it is done. No. So this project is done.
It's all right.
No.
Then we will close it. It will work.
Allah Hafiz.
Say it loud.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.